Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how to replace your clip on your project on a CapCut. So here I already have the project and I already have several clips that I have here, you can see. And now these three clips here is bit related, like talking about the nature, but then the first one is quite different for the others, so I would like to replace it. You don't need the things that you need to do. So here the replace button is useful for you who want to only replace the video without changing the duration of the clip. So the things that you need to do is just need to click the clip, and after that you just need to scrolling into the left side these tools over here until you found the replace, and now you just need to go click it, and now you just need to choose the video that you want to use for replacing the previous video. For example, let's do it this, and after that this video will be filling the clip durations from the previous video, and then you just need to go click confirm. So the video will have exactly the same duration for the original videos before. And that's the way how to replace a clip on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.